just make sure this is online. Alright. We are online. Cool. Alright. Let me make sure you can hear me. We are online. Cool. Alright. Okay. So, welcome back to Matrix Solutions. This is actually going to be my first live stream. I don't normally live stream. As you can tell, the title is Secret Website Development. I can't leak what we're going to be developing today. I can't leak what we're going to be developing. We actually got a partnership with a very large gaming company that has something really good brewing, and this is going to go hand in hand with what they're doing. So this isn't going to be a CAD. This is going to be a community management system, but not fit for any community and for any game. It's going to be specific to one game that is not released yet. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be talking because I don't want to accidentally leak anything. And it's also going to be difficult not putting the title of the game because you can easily go and search it up. It's not Grand Theft Auto. It's nothing you guys know of. It's nothing released yet. So this is actually going to be very difficult. It is going to be much more complex than the average CAD. I'm already trying to think of how to do it and how to not struggle. So first of all, we don't want that having a fixed width. We also want a group at the side. It's going to be for the buttons. We want to style standard button. We're going to want to get some sort of design here. So there's going to be no background. There's going to be a solid border of black. No. Trying to picture it in my head. Give me a second. There's a specific design I'm thinking of. Okay. So I'm trying to think what color I should do this out. I know you can't see the screen right now. I think I'm gonna use 2 colors here. Alright. Okay, so you can see my screen now. We're going to be using these 2 colors as the main colors. And white. So these 3 colors, I guess. So we're going to want to get something looking good here for buttons. And this is going to be the top bar. Like so. Okay, yeah, that was obviously way too big. It's going to be recommended for 75%. This needs 1200 by 1200. Actually, that's way too much. So we'll do that. Bring that way over to the side. We will make that smaller. And how's that? Okay, that's better. This could be a little thicker. And there. Okay, let's get the standard button set up. No background, no border. When this button is hovered, I'm going to get rid of that. So when the button is hovered, you want we'll do this in a second. Okay, so I think we'll just keep it at that. Text is going to be white. It's going to be, I'm going to give it a shot at 16. No roundness, like that when it is hovered. Border style, I want to do, okay, maybe that's not an option. Let's see, so this, we're going to want to do something like that. Maybe we have to do it directly in here. When this button is hovered, I don't want to do it for all borders though. Oh. So, standard button, we might have to, there is a solid border. completely transparent. And we'll do that as 2. If we go in here now, this button is hovered. Border color. Oh, independently. There we go. I found it. Okay, so the left border style no. Am I doing something wrong here? The border style for left. How do you do the border color though? That's how. Now we want all these to be transparent so you can't see them. And we want these all to be 0 and these to be 2. Alright, and now if we go conditional, border color left will be this blue. Okay, styles. That blue. It's hovered, and when this button button's create a new custom state. There we go. So now we should be able to go into style when this button's. So you can't do custom states now, I see. This button checked is yes. Border color left will also be this blue. And to start off, we're just going to do login. Tino, nah, not Tino's. Nah, that's not good. Open sans with the letter spacing of. No, that just doesn't look good. And that letter spacing of 1. What if we went by 18? Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. So styles, standard. Do a letter spacing of 1, and do size 18, and it's going to be regular, I think it was. Yeah, regular. Alright. Now that we have that, let's refresh it. Okay, that already looks too big again. Yeah. It's not, yeah. So, we want this to be a fixed width. Refresh. And we're actually going to want this. I'm thinking 3. /edit workflow. When it's clicked, set state, button login checked will be yes. Alright, refresh. Okay, now with that, we're going to do sign up. /edit workflow. Paste. Okay. Button should be okay. Those do look way too squished though. So, what if we do something no 45 height. How's that? That looks good. Okay, styles. I guess you can't really change it on here. You just have to do it manually. Alright. So, okay. So since I copied and pasted it, it's doing button login, button sign up there. Okay. So I guess we don't have to do that. We don't have to do this if checked thing. Just doing something is visible. We'll do it like that. Alright, and here I know it's going to go up there. There's going to be a certain image, which I don't want to release. It's actually going to be very difficult to do without releasing or leaking stuff. Still alive, yeah. One watching. Who's watching? Oh, myself, probably. Gonna guess it's myself. I'm not even gonna say something because that's just gonna stir people up. I'll just lock the channel. Solved. One moment. Alright. We are actually going to be doing the buttons differently because I just noticed this isn't going to work. So, oh crap, let's just do this. We are going to want groups. So, let's get rid of that, even though we just spent so long on it. Okay, conditional. At least we know what we did wrong. Okay. Also, if you're wondering, I'm really tired. I got like 2 hours of sleep last night. This might not be a long live stream because I have my last exam tomorrow morning. Okay, when it's hovered, left color be this. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know, but it won't stay transparent. Whatever. Let's check. Okay, it is. So, in this group we're going to have text. The text is going to be the same. That regular 18 white, one spacing. That's good, and now we're going to go icon, get some sort of login icon. The icon is going to be white, and login. The login normally looks like that. I can't believe I had to search that up. As I said, I'm really tired. Trying to find. There we go. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, this is what we have so far. Also, I have, these are two different boxes. This one is not transparent, it's straight blue. This one is 20% transparent, and it's the same blue, but it's a little darker to match this. Just kind of puts it all together nicely. Instead of having just straight blue, it kind of merges into it. And this is how the login button's going to be, saying sign up, so on and so forth. So we can go ahead and get sign up. Sign up icon. So like kind of a plus user icon type thing. Let's see. That would be logout. That's gonna be okay, so that's gonna be sign up. Looks about right. 30. Looks like this needs to be like 32. Maybe 34. 35. Alright. Let's go ahead and refresh and see how this looks. Not bad. This could be a little smaller. Go 28 and 33. Center horizontal. Crap. Center vertically and then move that over a little because it is a little big. How's that? Still not the best. It doesn't need to be perfect, but this is going to be like a big step forward for Matrix Solutions, and this needs to turn out good. I'm going to push that down one as well. There we go. That looks good to me. No. I guess that should probably go up one because that's centered, but that's not. That's good. And let me just make sure. So, oh. That actually also looks good. 50. So 67 does not work whatsoever. 50 does. Okay, so 25 does, 50 does, 75 does, 80 does, 90 does, and as it goes on, it works. I mean, up to 300, or up to 125, which no one's really going to be using this at 125. But the nice thing is it works all the way between, it works really nice from 75 to 125, which is a big plus because most people's browsers are just set at 100. That's default. It'll work for them, and people that use Bubble often have it at like 75, which will also work, and anything within that range also works. So let's, this is what we're gonna have. And then we're going to group these. This will be visible on page load. When current user is logged in, this element is visible will be null. Copy, paste. When current user isn't logged in, it will be visible. There we go. And now we're going to, we have to do the login, which is going to be a difficult part. Let's send it back. The login is going to be very difficult. That's a group, good. Most people, or a lot of people tend to use shapes, which, yeah, they work. I like groups more because it's not only a shape, but you can also put things into it, and it will like move with it. Like this. See, that is now inside it, I can move it. On the other hand, if I put like text inside it or something, it's not going to move with it. It's a box. It's nothing special. While this is. Make sure that still looks good. Alright. So now, we're going to get the buttons done first, actually. So we're going to copy and paste that. Let's just move this down. This won't be visible on page load. And let's refresh this. Alright, we're still live, surprisingly. Okay, viewers, whatever. I don't expect it to work. Okay. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to make this one larger. This one, instead of this, it's going to be that, and it's going to be log out. And log out, we can do the workflow right now. It's going to log the current, or log the user out. That's all. And now this group, when current user is logged in, it is visible. When current user isn't logged in, it isn't visible. So now it goes back and forth. Okay. So we're going to want to do the first one, which will be dashboard. We're going to have I'm trying to think of what else we could do. Or how I'm going to do this. I know there's going to be an admin page. Or it's actually going to be named something else, which might give it away. It's going to be difficult to not give this away. If there's something that's going to just straight up give it away, kind of leak it, tell everyone what it is, then I can't live stream. Is it with an O? No, I'm pretty sure it's with an E. Make sure. I don't know. It doesn't look right to me. Okay, yeah. So logo will be that dashboard. Should be simple. Snapchat. What would dashboard be? I guess you could do like a computer screen. No, I'll just search it up. Dashboard icon. So It's not going to be like stats, or it's not only going to be stats, so we will just use the computer screen. Government will be like settings, maybe. We'll just do admin for now. Or here, we'll redo that. I bet you it's gonna show like a settings icon or a wrench icon for admin. I guess a key maybe. So a person with like a settings icon, I guess. So I was close. Unless there's a like administrator shield, that would fit perfectly. I would start using that in CADs. I didn't even know that was a thing. If it is a thing. Currencies, payments. I'm gonna say that's a good admin logo. A shield. Okay. So, for now, we'll just make it as simple as that. We have to do the login, which I can do myself, but there might be a good login template. No, not template. A login. No, there's like a modern login that I've used before. Yeah, there's a modern login. I don't want to use that though. This gonna end up looking like this, kind of. I didn't even know this was a thing. Yeah, it's gonna be similar to this. No, not at all. The only thing that's gonna be similar is how the hell? Okay, that's not the same color, but that's like the same. That's weird. It actually looks better with not as big text though, so I might make that change. Let's refresh this. How does 16 look? Maybe we should go 17. Currently it's at 18. I feel like 17 might be a perfect one. Yeah, we're gonna go 17. but it's gonna. So I guess the outline is gonna be similar, as well as like members and governors and cities and stuff like that. I shit, I might have just leaked it. It's not what I'm looking for though. What's the main menu? Hacker forum. Why is it $300? Some things I just don't understand. Alright, well there's not really any good logins on here. I'm just gonna have to wing it. I don't want to use this. What's this Canvas starter login? Is most likely gonna be a pop-up, yeah. And I guess we could use this. I don't know how well that would. I mean, why not? We'll use it. How long have we been streaming for? 46 minutes. I'm getting really tired. Not surprised. There we go. That's not what I was looking at. None of this is making sense to me though, because it just. What am I looking at? What is... Is it standard page? No. What page was I on? Because none of this looks anything like what I was looking at. Literally not even close to what I was looking at. Actually, we can just click preview and see it. How? So it's on the home page. When I click login, this is a pop-up. That doesn't make sense though. Am I just not seeing something here? How is this working? Okay, so that's... It's in the header. Uh-huh. So when login is clicked, trigger custom event, which is named login. Pop-up reusable A. I don't know what I'm looking at. Sign up login A, which then takes me back to sign up login. This is not the login I was looking at though. Those are different. You can't tell me they're not. Sign up. I'm gonna click sign up. That looks different. Like, It's not the same though. Okay, well, I'm gonna go see what I can fix or do. Probably gonna go to bed anyway, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. We got barely anything done. I mean, I probably won't be live streaming anymore because this first live stream really showed me how limited I was to what I can say and what I can do. So, hope you enjoyed this one live stream. It's gonna be cool once out. I'll talk to you guys later.